Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to off show tab on your mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you can check here the tab has been running with me, right? See here, this one, you see it has been like this. Okay, so move on to setting. From setting you can scroll down to additional setting, click here, then you can scroll like this to developer option. Here it is. If you don't have developer option, you have to on the developer option. Okay, you just check from my videos from my channel. I have already said about how to on the developer option mode or how to on developer option. You just check there how to on the developer option. Okay, and if you on that developer option, you are going to find the developer option on the additional settings. So click on it, then from here you have to move on to input. Okay, only down is the input. Okay, move on to input. Here is the input and the show tab has been set on. So if you want to off, just click on this icon and the show tab has been set off, right? And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.